Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic in Java, that is constructors. In Java, constructors are the special methods used to initialize object. Okay, so constructor is called when an object of a class is created. So these are the 5 important points you must remember. Okay. So it will have the same name as the class name and doesn't return any type, not even void. So constructors can be used to set initial values for the object attribute. So let me start with some basic example. So I will create constructor. The constructor name must be same as class name. So what is our class name? Display. Okay. Now display. I will print hello constructor. So we have created the constructor using the class name. We have created the constructor. So we must call, right? For calling the constructor, as I said, it doesn't have any return type. So that's the reason we have not returned anything from the constructor. So it will execute during the object creation. So for execution of that constructor, we will create one object. So how to create object means with the same class name, display here variable name d, display. That's it. So new is the keyword for creation of object. Okay. Now if I execute this one, see hello constructor called. As soon as you create an object, the constructor will be called. So I will create another object. Now I have created 3 objects. Let's execute and see. See, 3 times this constructor method called. So by this we can understand that how many times you create an object, that many times the constructor will be called. And one more point here. See, we can create n number of constructors in class. So I will create one more constructor. So I have created one more constructor, right? So this constructor has been duplicated. So in order to avoid the duplication, we must pass the parameterized constructor so that you can create n number of constructors, but parameters should be different. This is 0 parameter constructor and this is parameterized constructor.